When we play game, our knowledge of numbers, mathematics comes into use. Now, I'm sure you play ringer roses. You stand in a circle. Or you play oranges and lemons. Then you have a partner and you are there. Then what do you tell someone to come in? Between, and you catch them. So you have a friend here and you are here and there's somebody in between. Yes? And that's what? Between. Where do you get the word between? From your maths class. Now, here, look at, I have a box here. I've got a box of fruits here. Look carefully at the box. Then I have a box, another box here. I am putting another box here and I'm going to put some alphabets in it, but not definitely, not in order. So I will write, say, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, look at the fruits, look at the alphabet. I'm going to ask you a question. What letter is between S and U? Between. So you will say T. So we are going to learn today to write what number comes between. That's what we are going to do. What is the number that is going to come between? But now I'm asking you, what letter comes between X and Z? You'll say Y. What letter comes between W and Y? You know it. What letter comes between T and U? And the same man, I'm asking you, what fruit is there between the apple and the orange? You will say mango. What fruit is there between the orange and the banana? What is the fruit? Name the fruit between the grapes and the pear. You will say banana. Name the fruit between the orange and the banana. Grape. Between. Okay. What? Name the finger that between the pointer and the ring finger. You will say the tall man or middle finger, whatever. Middle. Between. So we are learning what number comes between. What number comes between? We learned fruits, we learned letters. But now I'm going to ask you what number comes between, and now we will do, having learned the numerals 1 to 100, forward writing, counting, backward counting, writing. Now I'm going to give you a small exercise for us to recollect and remember what number comes between. Okay? What number comes between? I'm going to give you two numbers. You find the between number. What number comes between? Right? You're going to find out what number comes between. Okay, now let's begin with the first one we have. What number is there? 9, 10, 12, 13. 9, 10. 9, 10. Number sequence? 9, 10, 11. Very good. Now count and say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 12, 13, 15, 16. What's the number? 14. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The next row. 26, 27, 29, 30. 26, 27. Very good. 28. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Numbers in order, forward. 34, 35. Good. 36, 37, 38. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Next. 96. 97. Good. 98. 99, 100. Next. 41, 42. 43. Very good. 44, 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Next lot. 53, 54, good. 55, 56, 57, 67, 68, good. 69. We learned to write what number comes between 85, 86, 88, 89, 87. Very good. Number between 91, 92, 94, 95, 92, 94, 93. Very good. 15, 17, 16. We learn to write what number comes between 10 and 12, 11, 13, 15, 14, 27, 29, 28, 35, 37, 36, 97, 99, 98, 42, 44, 92, 94, 93, 86, 88, 80. So we learn to write, count in our mind and say what number comes between. And we did it.